I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your NBC3 forecast. And looking ahead today, we do have the risk of new showers and storms to erupt at around 11 a.m. to noon today, and then occasional lighter showers for the rest of the afternoon. Briefly 70 to 75 at some point this morning, and then backing off into the 60s with some intermittent showers later this afternoon. Any showers disappear tonight, and then areas of fog, due to all the wet weather we've had recently, some clearing should lead to some fog and lows in the mid-50s. Here's what to expect. We're showcasing additional showers and again a risk for thunder. The highest risk for thunderstorms will probably be at around midday for Syracuse and much of central New York. After that, we should be warming up. We should be back to 80 or higher for Wednesday, and most of Wednesday should be dry. It's not until the very end of the day, Wednesday or into Wednesday evening, that thunderstorms become more likely again. Changeable conditions. Now, what do I mean by that? We don't have any wild swings in temperatures, but we do have some day-to-day changes with respect to weather, which you'll see coming up. Let me take you on the Futurecast here, show you what's happening. At 8 o'clock in the morning, the heaviest rain is far northeast. Notice not a lot on the Futurecast other than an isolated shower, especially south of Syracuse at 8. With clouds, a little limited sun. We'll try to get to 70, 75. Now watch the Futurecast as we go from 8 to noon slowly. From west to east, you will see a new round of showers and storms. Because of limited daytime heating, while some heavier downpours and thunder and lightning will be possible, the threat for these to get out of hand locally, it's not zero, but I just really wonder, with only limited sun, how strong these will get. I think the best chance of anything severe would probably be in east and southeastern New York and Pennsylvania anyway. Some heavier rain and potential thunder happening between 11 and 1. You see that behind me. And then for the rest of the afternoon, it's probably mostly cloudy, with most of central New York seeing some light to moderate rain showers. Corporate Challenge happens at 6:25 this afternoon, evening. I'm hopeful that anything left over is either light or coming to an end at that point. I can't rule out a shower, but I think any thunder is, the threat for thunder at about 6:25 is pretty low. Partly cloudy overnight with areas of fog. Notice that the Futurecast is showing fog for the Mohawk Valley and Oswego County, and some fog over the Nook and Cranny valleys of south central New York. The fog will burn off, and eventually it's a mix of sun and clouds and getting warmer on Wednesday. You see behind me, hour by hour, that most of the day is dry. Now, I've said this yesterday, there's still a 1 in 3 chance of a shower or thunderstorm at the end of the day. The highest risk will be north and west of Syracuse before sundown. But notice behind me, showers and storms coming through Wednesday night. Well, that's because there's a higher risk after or at or after sunset for that. Thursday, we should get the sun back mixed with a few clouds. I think highs on Thursday should be in the mid to upper 70s. Boating forecast for today. Notice on Lake Ontario, winds light and variable, then westerly and pilding at around 10 to 20 knots. Waves a half a foot to a foot and a half. Wind light variable this morning, becoming westerly at 10 to 20 knots for Lake Ontario and for the Finger Lakes as well. UV index really moderate because of the fact that it's going to be tough to get much sun today. At best, 15% sunshine, but more sun expected Wednesday and Thursday, much more by comparison. The threat for on and off showers is very high today. The chance for a shower thunderstorm before sunset is 1 in 3 tomorrow, but a 2 out of 3 chance at or after sunset. It probably will not rain on Thursday, but at some point late Friday into Friday night and into Saturday morning, there should be some more rain. Here's a quick look at your 7-day forecast. Make it a great day.